We're not letting people assume what we know their expectations are, what our expectations are of them.
I think what it calls for my attention, it was when we say humanized leadership, and I think we need more of that, okay? We get in there with the coaching culture changing, we get in there, but if we keep that, I think we should make that statement and put it somewhere on your office.
Don't let people give you a reason or tell you you shouldn't feel the way you feel. And if you are stressed, hey, can I have a minute? I'm not feeling well today. Can I not do this? I just need a minute. So being able to vocalize that is going to be very important. So self-care, going outside, walking, riding, whatever makes you laugh and makes you feel good, do more of that.
This has been the one emotional roller coaster presentation that we have all been on.
You came in here this hard work. I didn't tell you how many hours you were going to be in the gym. I didn't tell you how many hours you were going to be studying for this certification or how long the training was going to be this week, 1 day, or 3 weeks. It's a part of your assignment, and your assignment is going to require some sweat.
It was amazing to hear Dr. Joseph talk about just the struggles and the things that they have to live with that I had no idea about. So it was just, I'm still learning, I'm just an intern, but I was so grateful to be here today. So thank you.
Especially for us in our culture here in the Bahamas, you know, someone even suggesting or saying they want to see a therapist, it's a taboo. It's almost like you're ostracized for saying that you may possibly need to see a therapist. You may need to see a counselor. You may need a life coach. Nothing is wrong with those things. And actually, I believe that therapists, coaches, and counselors, they're what is known as preventative medicine. I no longer sleepwalk. I no longer sleepwalk. On my purpose. On my purpose.